Hello. Today, I will be walking you through the steps for saving a program or programs to a favorites folder. Once you have logged into your CAREAPP account, you began your search for resources and have identified one you'd like to save, simply click the Saved button on the bottom of the resource card. The below screen will ask if you wish to create a new folder or add the program to an existing folder. Initially, you will not have any folder set up, so you will need to create a new folder for the first time. It may be helpful to name and group folders by program or assistance type. For example, all housing resources in a single folder, or all food resources in another folder. Additionally, once you create a folder, it will appear in the drop-down menu going forward. So to create a new folder, enter in the name that you wish to label it and hit Save. To view folders, you will scroll to the top of the page and click on the down arrow located to the right of your name and select Save Favorites. This screen will display your personal folders, which are located here, which you can access by clicking on the folder names. You may have also noticed when creating your folder that there is an option to share saved folders with your team. When viewing your saved folders, check out other ways that you can actually share this information with your team. You have now successfully saved a program in CAREAPP. Thank you.